Welcome to Musa View Vlogs, and what you are looking at is a North Face hooded jacket which I had ordered a couple of days back. Actually, I had ordered it more like 4-5 days back, and it was delivered a couple of days back. And right onto it, if you look at the packaging, standard North Face packaging, never stop exploring written on it. Easy removal process. So we will open up the package and let's see what we have. So the package is opened up and here comes out the jacket. It is a hooded jacket. Let's see what else it comes with. It comes with okay, they say they have a new packaging process and they are asking for our feedback. And then we have, I'm not sure what it is. So let's have a deeper look at the jacket. So there we have it. It is a hooded jacket, more of a pullover. The cost of this jacket was £80, but I had a discount on it and it cost me £50, that is 50 British pounds. Now if you look at the fabric, it's a fleece jacket, so the fabric is polyester, so washing it will be very easy. It should be able to repel water, should be fairly waterproof. They also mentioned that it is resistant to light snow, but I'm not sure how that will turn out. I mean, snow and this kind of fabric, it doesn't seem to do well. But yeah, a light drizzle, some sort light to medium drizzle, I think it will do fine. 2 pockets provided with an inner mesh, also the mesh, and the hoodie. You also have the hood. So we have Mountain Athletics written onto it, and let's have a look at the back. The back is fairly plain, fairly similar. The good thing about the fabric is that it can be washed multiple times without loss of color, so that's a positive thing. And it should be able to do well. I mean, in let's say 15 degrees to 20 degrees Celsius, I think it would be very comfortable and provide a considerable degree of warmth. So there we have it, my North Face hooded fleece jacket review. Please leave your thoughts in the comments and mention what I should review next. Thank you. This is Musa View Vlog signing off.